Hi, I'm Dave from the Google Cloud team at Ancoris, and I'd like to share with you 6 tips to ensure a successful G Suite deployment. As with any project that involves migrating users and data to a new platform, there are some clear steps that you'll want to follow.
First, run a G Suite deployment planning workshop. Our Google Cloud Certified Deployment Specialist will help you assess your current environment and identify the best tools and approach for your migration.
Secondly, set up your initial G Suite environment. We'll help you to set up your users' accounts, including identifying and handling users who've already created Google consumer accounts using their work email addresses.
Third, make sure you have the right security settings in place. Our experts will walk you through all of the settings in the Google Admin Console.
Migrate your users and their data, including profile information, organizational structures and distribution lists, as well as, course, as the user's email, calendar and contacts, all using a phased approach.
Fifth, run a change management program to help you move your users from their current environment to a new, more productive way of working.
Sixth, invest in ongoing success. Once G Suite has been rolled out, we'll hand you over to our customer success team so you get the best from the platform.
Thanks for watching. For more information about how Ancoris can help you successfully deploy G Suite, come talk to our experts.